go.
Let's go. Can you open the window?
Can you open the window? Open.
Yeah.
Open.
Wow.
Good boy.
Good job.
Open.
Open and close. Wow. Man, look at that haircut, Mr. Man.
It's a little shorter.
Yeah. He wants to open and close all of them.
Good job.
Good job.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you on board this morning.
Hold it.
Servicing Charlotte this morning. It's still dark out. That should change here in a few minutes. Sun will come up,
Cold.
take off down to Charlotte. 1 hour and 21 minutes en route once we're airborne.
Are you awake? Are you awake? It's very quiet. It's the quiet car. Just open it. Goes to sleep. Flight number 2. Donald Duck. He's doing so good. Don't unbuckle your belt. Let's get there.
Wow. Hi, big boy.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Harper. Hi, baby. Harper. Harper.
Give it back. Give it back. Wow. Well,
Once again.
we have made it, and if you'll notice something, Olivia's driving. Whoa! Harper's in his car seat. I had to re-thread the entire thing. And look at the back up there. To go over the top anchor, you have to go over the headrest because it's unremovable.
That's the worst. Whoever designed that Toyota, that's a major fail.
That's ridiculous.
Why even have those top anchors even available? Because that's going to ruin that seat, and this is not our car.
That's
so.
ridiculous.
Awesome.
Anyway, so we made it. He did really good on the first flight. Second flight, just the last hour.
3/4 of the way. Well, maybe
Yeah.
2/3 of the way. He did.
2/3 of the way, yeah. The last, he was just ready to get down. I mean, and really, who's to blame him? It's just.
Well, and we sat on the tarmac for how long? Half an hour
half
before
an hour
we
at
even.
least.
So
that's that. We're starving. Wait, excuse me. I'm gonna speak for myself. I'm starving.
yeah, well, there are gonna be tons of food. And we're
Right,
gonna
at
eat
the
great
party.
food, so.
And Harper did not take a nap at all. And we did talk about, we did give him a lot of sugar just because we were trying to placate him, but tomorrow's a no sugar day. For him and for us.
Oh yeah. Even though we haven't had that much.
No. But, so pretty much that's it. So, yeah, so we're gonna go.
But we're
get
in
ready for the party.
Mobile.
We're in Mobile. We made it. We made it.
I just like, it's like you always do everything. You're like, oh, this will be so much easier. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like so much easier doing it this way. And every single time, it's never easier.
No, it's just, there's just no easy way to do it. I mean, I think even if you had millions and millions of dollars and you were, yeah, it would be easier to fly private, quote unquote, but it'd still be hard to get all this stuff together.
It's just
Even if you had
always-
somebody else doing it, you still.
It's just too much stuff. And it's just like, you know, at this age, like you cannot, there's no logic at all. So, which of course there is no logic. And so it's like just trying to really like, just not placate, that's not the right word, but just really trying to like, you know, just, it's gonna be okay. We're not too much longer. I mean, they don't understand it.
No,
you know
I mean,
what
when he was done, he was done.
Yeah, and that's how all 2-year-olds
Yeah, of course,
are. They just finally get to a point where,
Yeah.
I mean, it's over.
But he has said lots of words. Boy, he just said a good mama.
He did. He said,
We should have had that one on camera.
That was good.
It's a good one. He said thank you to the stewardess one time.
Yeah.
He said was saying up on the window.
Mhm.
Down. Did he say down or just up?
Just up.
And buckle, did he say anything?
Buckle.
Yeah, he said buckle. He could buckle and unbuckle his seatbelt on the plane.
Like I didn't show him how to do
No.
it. He just watched me do mine, and then that was it.
Yep. Then he would get his juice thing, and it has a thing that he's never really that many times opened, and he would just open it. So, oh, Harper Ellis. Oh, Harper Ellis. Okay. We'll check in a little later. I don't have my contacts in and I already have my retainer in. So, hope you guys, we had a good day. The party was really good. So,
It's great. It was just a good family day. It was lots of family here.
oh yeah, lots of babies.
Lots of babies. It was not even possible to really vlog because there
No.
was so much stuff going on.
We had a good day. We were like exhausted.
Exhausted.
I can't do 2 hours of sleep anymore.
Oh no, it's too much.
I mean, I know, y'all know I stay up late and do the vlog, but most of the time I get like 6 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
There's a big difference between 6 and 2.
Oh my gosh. And the same thing for me. I mean, I slept for like about an hour or something with him today, but I only got 2 hours of sleep last night, or 3
Oh
hours.
yeah.
And I can't.
And then it was not just 2 hours of sleep and then just sitting. It was 4 hours of intense travel and then like all those babies and family. And I mean, actually Harper slept through most of the party.
Yeah, he
forgot.
was the smartest.
He was the smartest, but anyway, so that's it. So we're heading to the beach tomorrow, and we'll tell you that whole story when we get there too, about the house,
Oh
and
yeah.
our friends and all that kind of stuff. So. Okay. See you guys later. We're gonna go to Sleepy's. Thank you guys for all your sweet comments on Harper and his new phrase, Birdie, where are you? And he's been, G-Paul, it's his grandfather, and he's been saying, G-Paul, where are you?
Where are you?
Where are you? But he's, I mean, literally, every day he's probably gotten 3 or 4 new words. Today he said his name several times.
Harper.
It probably worked out well, because you know how kids are. It's about Milo. It's his birthday party, so Harper was like, but don't forget about me.
Oh, don't worry, Harper. Nobody forgets about you.
Nobody. He's the weirdest. So, Harper says, good night, everybody. See you tomorrow.